Peru's ancient civilization has long fascinated scientists and historians. The remnants and artifacts left behind by these ancient peoples provide a window into their lives and customs. But what is the science behind Peru's ancient civilization? One key aspect is the study of archaeology. Archaeologists uncover and analyze the physical remains of the past, such as buildings, tools, and pottery. In Peru, the discovery of ancient cities like Caral and Machu Picchu has shed light on the sophistication and ingenuity of these ancient societies. Another important scientific field is anthropology. Anthropologists study the cultural and social aspects of past societies. By examining the customs, rituals, and beliefs of the ancient Peruvians, researchers can better understand their daily lives and how they interacted with each other. Additionally, the science of genetics has played a role in unraveling Peru's ancient civilization. Genetic studies of modern-day Peruvians have revealed connections to their ancient ancestors. By analyzing DNA samples, scientists can trace the origins and migrations of these ancient people. Furthermore, scientists have used environmental studies to understand how the ancient Peruvians adapted to their surroundings. Since Peru's landscape varies greatly, from coastal plains to high mountain ranges, it is crucial to understand how these civilizations managed to thrive in such diverse environments. Lastly, the study of linguistics has helped decipher the languages spoken by Peru's ancient peoples. By analyzing ancient texts and inscriptions, linguists can reconstruct the languages and interpret their meanings. This, in turn, provides valuable insights into their knowledge, beliefs, and communication methods. In conclusion, the science behind Peru's ancient civilization encompasses various fields such as archaeology, anthropology, genetics, environmental studies, and linguistics. Through the combined efforts of scientists in these fields, we continue to learn more about the remarkable achievements and contributions of Peru's ancient peoples.